Hi, Primus. Today we are going to listen to a story for Thanksgiving using the website Epic, which is right in the middle of our resource board. Today I happen to be in first grade Miss McMullen's room, but remember, we all have this library bulletin board at the top of our Schoology pages with all of the resources we might need. So today we're going to use Epic. We are going to need that passcode DTC7733. So let's get started. All right, I'm going to type it in, DTC7733. And as always, we are going to choose Primus. All right, so today, like I said, I'm going to be looking for a book for Thanksgiving. So I could try to browse around and find a book, but I'm going to use the search button and I'm going to type in Thanksgiving. It's going to come up with all of the different resources that have to do with Thanksgiving. Today, I'm looking for a book that reads to me, so I'm going to choose the Read to Me option. And I'm looking for a nonfiction book. So I'm going to use this sorter down here that says fiction/nonfiction. I'm going to click and I'm going to choose nonfiction. Now it's going to show me all the books that are going to read to me and that are nonfiction. So let's see, looking for one that I'm really interested in. And here it is over here. I love this series, these blast off readers, and they give really easy to understand information, and the pictures or photographs rather are always really great. So let's take a listen to this book called Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is here. Corn and squash steam on the table. A cornucopia overflows with vegetables and fruits. Finally, the turkey is done roasting. Thanksgiving dinner is ready. What is Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is a national holiday in the United States. Families gather together to feast. They show thanks for what they have. Who celebrates Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is mainly a United States holiday. Most Americans celebrate it. Canadians hold their own Thanksgiving. It happens in October. Thanksgiving beginnings. Thanksgiving came from a harvest celebration in 1621. It happened in the Plymouth colony of Massachusetts. Pilgrims and the Wampanoag people feasted together. The Wampanoag had helped the Pilgrims grow crops. The harvest festival lasted 3 days. They ate venison, duck, and corn pudding. They held shooting contests and ran races. Time to celebrate. Thanksgiving became a national holiday in 1863. Today, Americans celebrate on the fourth Thursday in November. President Franklin D. Roosevelt made this rule in 1941. Thanksgiving traditions. Today's Thanksgiving foods are different than those in 1621. Families eat stuffing, mashed potatoes, and turkey. Pumpkin pie is a favorite dessert. Not every turkey gets roasted on Thanksgiving. The president pardons at least one lucky turkey each year. It goes to live on a farm. Many people enjoy the Macy's Thanksgiving Day parade. Huge balloons march in this New York parade. Families also watch football games on Thanksgiving. They are thankful to be together. Glossary.
All right, so we're going to stop
Colony.
there.
A group of people.
So remember, this book was brought to us by Epic, and Epic is found on your Library Schoology page right at the top on our resource board. It is this blue icon right in the middle. The password is always there, and Epic works during the school day hours, so it will work anytime between, I believe, 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. So during those asynchronous times, if you ever need or want to read a book, or if you're having maybe a independent reading time, Epic is a really great way that you could be doing that. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoyed it.